Updating your billing information with Huntington Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings, look for an option labeled billing information or payment methods. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your information. Enter your new billing details such as your address, phone number, or payment method. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date with Huntington Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.